Hello everyone, welcome to Manifesting Stuff's YouTube channel. So you might have faced downloading issues in your Chrome browser for multiple times when you download any file. For example, if you add some file to download like this, then it will start downloading. But it mostly happens that due to internet or power issue, you pause your download, and then whenever you will resume it, it will get cancelled or it will start downloading from the start, and then all the data you have downloaded will be lost, and then you have to download the same thing from the start, so it will waste your internet and time a lot. So today in this video I will solve this problem for you so that you will never have to face this kind of issues again. So let's start the video now. So for that you need to download a software called FDM, Free Download Manager. It's completely an open source software. It means it can be downloaded by anyone for free. So let's begin. So first of all, go to your Chrome browser and click on the search bar and type Free Download Manager. Then go to the first link, that is freedownloadmanager.org. Then go to this download section, and here are various versions of it listed below, so you can download any of these versions according to your computer. Here I am using a 64-bit Windows 11 operating system, so I will download this 64-bit version by clicking here. Now our download has been started. Now once it gets downloaded, open it and click on run, and then next, and then install. Now click to finish and go to the search bar and type FDM and then open this app. So here is our free download manager successfully installed on our computer. So to use it on your Chrome browser, you have to add an extension. So I have given the link of that extension in my description box, so you can add it from there, or go to the search bar of Chrome and type free download manager extension. Then you have to go to the first link and click on add to Chrome. Now add extension. Now here is our extension added to Chrome. So whenever you download any file, for example like this, it will show this kind of interface, and then you have to download it. So here our downloading has been started. So whenever you will pause it, it will get paused, and whenever you will resume it, it will start downloading from where you have left it. So now your Chrome downloading issue has been solved. So guys, that's about it. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And also you can suggest me topics in the comments below that you want me to cover, and I will cover that in the future videos. So with that said, I will just sign off and see you in the next time. Till then, take care and cheers.